Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm going to go through some of my favorite headers and banners to show you how to make your own. So the first one we're going to do is simple. We're going to create a rectangle. We'll draw a line out and a line out, a line down, a line down. So you're basically building a square. You're going to leave that square open, and this is where the fun comes in. So you're going to draw a line and make two slanted lines and make sure that they meet. It's okay if it's not perfect. Remember, it's sketchnoting. It's all about your version of things. And then we're going to add these little slanted lines here from corner to the corner of the other rectangle. And then we're going to shade these in. And that is what makes the banners pop off the page and gives them a little dimension. Another banner that you can do a fancier version of this. You can add a rectangle. And we're kind of repeating that process, but this time we're just going to create a square here and a square here. And then what we did over here is what we're going to do down here. And this just makes it a little fancier, gives it a little more pop, a little more fun, adding those triangles in. Oh, I forgot to do my other one here. Just adding those triangles in. And it just kind of looks like a ribbon popping off the page. And what you can do is you can add topics into there or anything you want to draw attention. I've drawn these on whiteboards and things, so they're really fun and super easy. Another easy one that you can do is like a party banner. So you just make a little half moon type shape, and then you can add, I usually add odd number of triangles. You don't have to. If you're trying to make a word like welcome or hello, this is an easy banner to do. You just start adding some triangles. Try to make them as even as you can to that string that you just drew. So you might put the school year, you might put hello, welcome to Mrs. or Mr. So-and-so's class. I like to put bows at the end. You can add pins at the end, which to add a pin, you would just put a pin and then a little circle on top to tack it. If you wanted to do tacks instead, it's all up to preference. And then one more that you can do, I like to use this one with numbers. You draw a circle, and then you draw a couple of these looking type shapes off to the side by themselves. So they're like sideways banners, I guess, or little flare there. And then I like to add some scrolls at the bottom to make it look all fancy. Okay, you don't have to do that. And then that might be like Unit 1 or the heading of something else. So hopefully you like those banners just like I do, and that those things are helpful to add to your sketchnoting profile. Thanks.